I just wanted to take a minute secretly to tell you a few things that Bob will never tell you. First of all, Bob has done work for people like Oprah, Steve Martin, Barbra Streisand, Jonathan Winters, John Travolta. He just does beautiful work. He is going to take the time to do your carpet, your tile, your rugs, your upholstery cleaning the way that it needs to be done. He does not miss extra steps. He doesn't blow through. He's not going to leave until that carpet or tile or upholstery or your rugs are as clean and soft and germ-free as absolutely possible. When you call Bob, you call somebody with 35 years experience. I get calls from other carpet cleaners across the country asking advice from Bob. Use his experience to work for you and give us a call today.